In a move to curb the fake reviews being posted on the various platforms, especially on the e-commerce platform, Centre is likely to come up with the standards against these fake reviews by next week. What we are getting to know from our sources that all the stakeholder consultation is done, and now the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, is going to come up with the standards against these fake reviews by next week. Majorly, the responsibility will be on the e-commerce providers or the players, because largely these sort of fake reviews are being posted over there, which influences the choice of any buyer or user. So this standard will cover the goods and services which are being bought by the user. In addition to this, only verified user, that will be the verification will be done through the KYC document, and only verified user will be able to post the reviews on e-commerce platform that will be substantiated with the help of any documentary evidence, with the help of any video, photo, or any sort of bill that you have got against the purchase of any particular item. In addition to this, unverified reviews or the users will be removed by the e-commerce player. Now this fake reviews, which is a big problem, not only just for the government but for the business houses as well. So to curb this problem, the Centre formed a committee in the month of June this year that had participation from the industry houses like the CII, several other as well, even the ASCI, the Advertising Standard Council of India, was also a part of this committee, which submitted its suggestion. And after going through a detailed discussion, now the government has reached to a point that standards have been formulated and which will be released by BIS likely by next week.